I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to do the bill promotion in FeedMe. So bill promotion divided into two parts, which is you can set the auto apply when there's a minimum spending, or you can apply the bill discount manually to your customer. Thank you. Okay, first log into your FeedMe portal, then go to marketing, then go to promotion. As you can see, you can set several types of promotion for the bill. Then click new promotion. Then from here you can put a name, for example, minimum spending 10 ringgit get 1 ringgit discount. You also can set is it auto apply or you want to manually apply. If yes, just click turn on. After that, just click next. So for the bill discount, you can set is it discount by amount or percent. So in this example, it's applied by amount. So I put amount and I put 1 ringgit. Then because my minimum spending is 10 ringgit, so I turn it on and I put minimum spending 10 ringgit. Then click next, proceed to configuration. You also can apply for your online ordering. You can set it daily or you can set it certain period of time. For example, I want to set it within 26th until 30th. Furthermore, you also can select outlets for your bill promotion. After that, just click save. Then go to your main device. If you're spending more than 10 ringgit, then you will have 1 ringgit of the discount. Furthermore, you also can set the bill promotion without auto apply. For example, so I turn it off, and here I put 2, and there's no minimum spending, and just click save. Okay, after that, go to your main device, and when you're taking order, then you can click to promotion and click here to manually apply your bill discount at here. If you want to remove the bill discount, click on the figure at here, just click trash icon. Then the bill promotion will remove. If you want to delete the bill promotion, just click here to delete it. That's all for today. Thank you.
Cari post system, cari Aseng.
Find Guinness Post, find Aseng.
Aseng.
找post system, 找 Aseng.